Hi, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech. We talk about tech stuff, fun stuff, and much, much more. And if you're new to the channel, I talk a lot about tech stuff. And I'm an avid photographer, I do a lot of traveling, and I do a lot of other things. So, when I'm traveling or when I'm taking photography, I like to bring back new ideas that help you as you get your pictures better. So today I'm going to be doing a versus video, and it's two products. One of them is made by GUBO, and the other one is Joby, which you see on the screen. And then another idea that you could be using is this, you probably can't see it. It's made by, I can't even pronounce it, ZEADIO stand. So let's get into that video. I'm going to show you some comparisons and things you may use in doing your videos. So the first one up here is by Joby, which you probably know more as called Gorillapod. And of course, its legs can form. And you can wrap it around like this. Or you could wrap it around a tree branch. And of course, and it comes in various configurations. This one particularly one you can see has a 1/4-inch screw mount, adjustable here to be able to form all different kinds of angles. Very good, but it has a weight limit. Now in this case I have a mini tripod connected to a handle, and this is pretty good in stability. You have to make sure that the leg, of course, is facing forward when you're putting your long lens. But last but not least, this one also comes with 3 standard legs. And it also comes with a cell phone holder and an iPhone holder. As you can see, you have a screw mount and a large ball joint. Now this one here steps a little bit ahead, and this I'm going to show you what it can do. First thing is you could remove this head. So now you have a table mount to put a camera on, iPhone, stand, holder. That makes it very versatile. And of course you could add something like a handle to make it even higher. But this is where it separates itself from all the others. And you may want to consider that adding this to your package. Let me just put this back on so I can show you what I'm talking about. One of the biggest problems that I have when you're doing photography, if you have something like this, and you've got a long telephoto lens, and I'm actually going to take my camera out and show you what I'm talking about. But this, of course, you can hold it, and put it in various angles to do all the things you can. But where this one steps aside, and if you look over here on the side, I don't think you can see it, is this A, B. Now in the A setting, the legs go all the way down, make it very steady.
Here's let's go all the way down.
Alexa, stop.
Brenda.
And the legs can come out, even in making it more steady. Now, if you put it in the B setting, now the legs lock. And now what you have is an adjustable height tripod, but you can adjust the legs back and forth for any type of uneven surface. And it's wide enough that it can hold a long lens camera. Now let me put that on there for you and so you can see that. So I put my Canon SX60 on this tripod, and this is why I wanted this compared to this. If you look at the width of the GORILLAPod or of the mini tripod here, if I'm going to be putting this up there and on a table, or maybe adjusting it for different, maybe this is an uneven surface and I want to get a long telephoto thing, I'm worried about this tipping over. But this, as you can see, does a great job of holding it a little bit better than these two. So I'm going to put some of my thoughts up now, but I can tell you right now, I know which one I'm going to be going to. So as you can see, it is important that you choose the right tripod when you're doing anything with telephoto on your camera. Of course, when you have a full-size tripod, it's a little bit different. But when you have a mini tripod and you're trying to put it on a rock formation or a picnic table, even on sand, you need something that's going to be wide enough and secure enough that that camera is not going to tip over and destroy that lens. And you and I know that those lenses are expensive. So I hope this has been helpful for you. This was a comparison of basically three different types of mini tripods. But which way are you leaning to? I know which one I'm leaning to, and I think I'm going to be carrying that on a more consistent basis and doing it, because now fall is coming at the time of this video, and I'll be going upstate New York, and I'll be taking some scenery and pictures of the grandkids picking apples at the apple orchard. So until next time, would you please subscribe to the channel and like it, put any comments or any ideas that you would have on maybe a better product that you would like me to compare against. And until next time, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech out.